If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Handshake 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in verification. Step 2. Refresh the application. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your account information. Double check that all your account information is accurate and up to date. Incorrect details can lead to verification issues, so ensure everything is correct. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Go to your device settings and clear the cache and data for the Handshake 2026 app. This can help eliminate any temporary files that might be causing the verification to stall. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Handshake 2026 customer support for assistance. Provide them with details of your problem, and they can help resolve the verification pending status. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending issue on Handshake 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.